Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 13th to the 17th of December 2021 on Monday. Phumlani orders a hit on Dr. Mulamu. Ntokozo asks his parents to allow Mazet to move in with them on Tuesday. Tati learns that her stalker shot Dr. Mulamu. Gladys advises Mazet not to move in with Ntokozo on Wednesday. Phumlani makes headway with the love of his life. Mazet accepts a drastic and life-changing proposal. Stumo gets cut down to size by a schoolgirl. On Thursday, Ntokozo makes a decision that shocks his parents. Tati finds herself out of sort for a new man. Phumlani puts a new plan in motion on Friday. Melusi tells Gladys to kick out Ntokozo and Mazet. Phumlani buys Buhle a birthday gift. Zodo revealed that she is back together with Bongani. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.